Do you want to know how you can log into your Kristal Ai account? If yes, then you've come to the right place. Hello and welcome to AI Basics. It's your host back again with yet another interesting tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to teach you how you can log into your Kristal Ai account. Go ahead and open Chrome or Edge browser on your PC, go to the Google search bar and then search for Kristal Ai login. Click on the first or the second link which appears on your screen. It will take you to the official page of Kristal. Now to login, go ahead and click login, which you can see on the top right hand corner of your screen. It will take you to this login portal, which is the official login portal of Kristal. To log in to your Kristal account using your email address, go ahead and write down your email address in this box over here and then write down your password over here. After that, click login with email. This way, you can successfully log into your Kristal Ai account using your email. You can hide or unhide the password by clicking on this icon, which is the I icon over here. And if in case you have forgotten your password, this is the link for you to recover your password and your account once again. If you want to skip all this process and log in with Google, go ahead and click login with Google, which is over here, and it will lead you to this page where you can choose your Gmail, press continue, and in a while you can notice that you will be logged into your Kristal Ai account using your Google account. I hope this video was helpful for you. If you still have any kind of confusion, please do mention us on the comment section down below. Like the video, subscribe to the channel and do hit the bell button for more. Hope to see you in the next video as well. Until then, goodbye, take care and make sure you enjoy.